I'm Barraband parrot, and I live in a wonderful place called Zoo. Don't want to brag, but I'm a local celebrity. I love being the center of attention. And also, I have my own show where I perform different tricks. Welcome to the zoo. It's nighttime, I'm resting and mentally preparing for the next day's show. I like to listen to calm music. And I didn't know what's coming for me next. Hi.
Hi. Hello, I'm charged here now.
Yes, you guessed it right. Now I have a roommate.
I told her because he told me that I have been told that I'll told him the tale.
My roommate was talkative. Like, very talkative. And he liked to listen to music loudly at night. And he was trying to take away my crowd. Hey! You forgot your sandwich with grilled cheese.
Yeah, right. You can edit this edible anyway.
What?
Yeah, can you imagine? Haha, yeah, how is it?
Finally, moment of peace. Hi, Birdie. Wait, you look extremely tired and sad. What happened? I see. Are you stressed out because of this peacock? Poor bird. I know what it's like to be surrounded by the wrong crowd. My peers think that I'm weird, because I speak to birds, but I want to tell you a story. People say that somewhere in the sea, lucky ones can witness ships with the black sails. These are pirate ships. And while pirates are not so kind to people, they have parrots and treat them like royalty. Wow. Also, a few days ago, I found the locket. Some people say it can make wishes come true. Here, take it. I don't know if this will help you or not, but...
Natasha, we have to go.
Oh, my parents calling for me. I have to go. Bye, Birdie. Despite my skepsis, I still decided to make a wish. I don't know if anyone out there can hear me, but please help me to get that wonderful place for parrots, where every bird is happy and free. Wait, where am I? These are black sails! Is that pirate ship? Oh, hi, Birdie. Ha! Is that baby talk? One more joke and I'll make you walk the plank. Welcome to the crew, Birdie. We're gonna have so many adventures together, buddy. My life has changed so much. I befriended the crew and started treating them with some gifts. And to my surprise, they gifted me things too. I've never seen so juicy fruits before. And my show became popular again. I was telling stories and showed tricks before bedtime. I became the center of attention again. I found my place and new friends here. Birdie, where are you? Adventures waiting for us? Are they perfect people? Well, of course not, but I'm far from perfect too. This is why this place feels like home to me. I finally became happy.